Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to add a multi-row slider in WordPress website. Here you can see this one is my demo website. Now I want to go here and search for common ninja. So this one is the platform where you can go and then click on start creating. Here you need to sign up. You can sign up with GitHub account, with Webflow, as well as with Gmail account. Scroll down, click here continue button. Okay, now we are using a free plan, so we can create maximum one widget. So simply click here plus button, and here you can see 228 widgets are available that you can easily use and create. So now I can search for slider. So these are the different type of sliders that you can easily create. So this one is multi-row image slider. Click here. Here you can see these are the different rows for this slider. So let me change one of the image from here. Just you need to expand it, and then after that these are the items in one row. So after that again you need to expand this one, then click here to upload the image. But before that you need to go back, then click on save changes. Otherwise it will not allow to upload the image. So I can go back and then upload the image from here. So let me select one of the image. This one, and then select the image, then use media. Here you can see image is added in the first row. So let me close this one, then expand the next row. Then again I want to change one image from here. I want to add this image, then select the image, then use media. Here you can see image is added. Now how you can change the image aspect ratio? Here you can go, then scroll down. Here you can find out different options. Image size. Here you can see this one is changed to the like square. So you can select any of the option from here. Okay, this one is also looking fine. After that click here publish. Now you can copy this one code, then let's go back, and after that add a new page. Here we can give a page name. Portfolio. Then click here to add a new block. Search for code block. You can add the custom HTML. So let me try this one. Okay, this one is used to display the code. Now let me try another one, that is the, let me remove this one and then add HTML, this one, then add here. After that click here publish. Now let's view this page. Here you can see a multi-row slider is added in website. That's looking fine.